The following contest is a tag team Extreme Rules match and is for the World Tag Team and the WWE Tag Team Championships. And at a combined weight of 482 pounds, the World Tag Team Champions and the WWE Tag Team Champions, Triple H and Shawn Michaels, D-Generation X.
One of the most terrifying superstars ever.
Terrifying power, terrifying size, and terrifying malice.
And the same haircut as you, Saxton.
Hey.
That's terrifying.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And introducing
for
the
years,
challengers.
W.
And here comes one of my favorites.
And from Death Valley, weighing in at 275 pounds,
Corey, it doesn't get much bigger than this, as both titles will be up for grabs here tonight.
And by night...
On the line of the Tag Team Championships. Over the years, we've seen a lot of Extreme Rules matches. Forklifts, spears to the announce table, balls moving into the crowd. Always a great time.
One thing I've learned over the years, Michael, is blink as little as possible. If you do, you might miss a historic moment in this one.
Well, I've learned that you got to keep your head on a swivel, because more often than not, someone's getting thrown our way.
Oh, and a stomp.
He's heading back to the ring.
Right on target with a stop to the gut.
He's looking for something. This could get dangerous.
A table. The WWE Universe is going wild. Right to the kidneys from behind.
Side headlock applied. Michaels has to show his resilience after taking that maneuver.
This is the reality of this stipulation. He knew the attacks were going to come hard and fast.
As easy as it may seem to come into a no DQ match with no plan other than to get violent, strategy can play a role in this. Now's the time for a superstar to get inventive, to get creative when it comes to inflicting damage on their opponents. Call Hunter's secretary. Tell him we found the hammer.
We can sense the whole WWE Universe behind him right now.
He's looking to take things to the outside now.
Oh, gets put into the barricade.
Landing a big hit with that hammer. Whoa, using that hammer like this was a track and field event. This is just turning into a savage display of violence.
Way out. Look out below! From ring post to ring side, risking it all paid off. Boot to the stomach.
Avoids the attack.
Kendo stick right to the head. That last attack really took a toll on the champ.
This is what we expect out of Extreme Rules. No one is safe.
And he slides him back to the mat. Oh, runs pin. Michael's shoulders are down. And the champ gets free at one.
Surprised to not even get a 2 count at this point.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent and tossing them aside.
showing no regard for his opponent's well-being, using him like a hammer saw to break the table in half.
Clearly holding nothing back. Looking to do, it looks like he could get it done here.
Kicks out.
Lethal combination. I don't know if I want to go on this trip, guys, but
You might have to because it's the longer way down. Last ride. Oh, the save.
That might have been it.
No way.
Yes way!
What power. Tombstone power driver.
we might see a new champion crown.
Going for the win, not letting up.
Oh, an inverted atomic drop.
Very nice.
These competitors have been unloading on each other since the bell. Just thinking for that window of opportunity.
And now might be the time to seize the moment. Now's the time to keep the pressure on.
Immediate cover after the impact. 2. Oh, close call makes the champ nervous.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
Doesn't want to be on the top rope like this. And he gets from the top rope.
Oh, and he's got ripped right off the top.
Oof. He quickly gets out of dodge. And he's staggering to his feet, about to head right into danger. Ooh.
The devil's favorite demon with the... Oh, he's got him here. He's got him up.
And devil's favorite sidewalk slam.
Everyone is on their feet in this building.
Absolutely showing the respect for all the exertion these athletes are putting each other through.
And evades the attack.
Sliding back in under the ropes here.
Uh-oh.
Caught that. It reversed it. Knee right to the midsection.
HBK is a moving target here.
Oh, what a club. Neckbreaker.
Very nice.
Heading to the top turnbuckle now.
His mind is turning. Might be close to the end. Oh, look out.
Classic.
Oh, no.
Tombstone pile driver.
This ends now.
Backbreaker. Taking this thing out onto the floor now. Looking for something, anything under the ring.
Finds the table, and guys, I do not see the table being long for this world. Oh! Rolled up from behind. This could be it.
Counters. Cover.
Yes, they did it. New tag team champs.
Back elbow.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are your WWE Tag Team Champions, Kane and Athena.
This Extreme Rules match comes to an end.
We had a lawless environment tonight, a chance for teams to go extreme, and this team accepted the assignment with joy.